How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera, guys. Today's ramble, today's video. Dun, 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 dun. Head up to hospital. What time's about? What time's the bus due? Due now. So basically, I'm head up to hospital and get the operation done. As you may know, I've got reactive arthritis, which is it's a body. My arthritis has come as a result of my body's picking up on an infection, and I can't get infections in the bladder. Down in the old waterworks for the past 4 years. I've been hospitalised twice with it. I'm in a lot of agony with it as I'm walking. So every time I'm getting this infection, the body's reacting to it, and it's giving me arthritis in all the lower joints. So this one here is going into the nether regions, and they're going in there and they're going to try to fix something and then get into the bladder. So it's a weekday procedure, so it should get out later on, like waiting on a bus. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm not sewing on my arm again. Which I'm sure will be a lot more discomfort that I'm going to be going. Mine's probably going to be more embarrassment than anything. It's a teaching hospital as well, so you're probably going to have about 100 people standing there, students, fucking vlogging it, putting it on till time. I don't know. Listen, this is just the start of the video. I'll drop an RV message as we come along. So that's me off a bus now, here, about an 8-minute journey away from the city centre. I live Belfast city centre. So here's a crack, like, I think a lot of people, you know, you're always fearful of what if you get like a bit of an ailment and you don't get a check. Now, if you know, what about 3 years, funny enough, prior to this reactive arthritis kicking in, I vlogged that I had like a prostate checked. Guy puts the old finger up the opposite end that they're going into today, up the old back passage. Very uncomfortable and embarrassing stage. Wasn't that uncomfortable what he actually did? Man, oh yeah, day procedure unit. Wasn't that comfortable what he did, but I put my mind at ease and I found out that I hadn't got prostate cancer, and I think that's important, especially with men, women as well, by the way. But I'm going to reach out to the men in the gang here. Don't be worried about things, and women as well. Hold on, never mind men and women. Everybody worries. If you've got something that you feel is not right with you, go to your doctor. I love holistic, complementary therapies, but I don't rule out doctors. Like, and there's so many people think there's something wrong with them, and they don't go for fear. Don't let fear keep you back from going to get things checked out. That's very, very important. Look, I don't know what's going to go on. Here we are here, look. Lovely building. I don't know what's going to go on in here. I have a fair idea. I've done enough YouTube videos. Fucking watched YouTube videos last night about the procedure. Fuck's sake, I went from being calm, like the swan, till the fucking swan landing. I don't know if you've ever seen a swan landing. It's like a fucking nice and graceful, and then splash. That's where I was last night, guys. So listen, if you've got anything wrong with you, get the doctors, get it checked out. You don't have to take the doctor's word for it automatic. You can check another doctor. You can also don't have to just take the medicines and things like that, providing you don't necessarily need them. If you need them, take them. But there's also alternatives that you can do. But listen, doctors are there to help. Get things checked out. So listen, I'm going to have to turn this phone off here. I'm fucking talking away to you here as if it's like, you see me like a kid going to school, fucking running out the back, letting on, oh yeah, well. So listen, if you have anything wrong with you, get the doctors, okay? I went there before and had a lump of one of my testicles. What is this here? Fucking like, hello, how you doing, guys? Welcome to the anatomy of Rambles with my camera. Yeah, I got a lump of my testicle there last year. Went for it, it came up, it was a cyst, it was nothing. So don't worry about going to doctors, get the doctors, get them checked out. Listen, go in here, get the waterworks, Probably give me a life jacket. I don't know. No, me giving it a nice transition, walking into the door. Okay, I'll see it next week. Bloody door's locked, not open to 7:40. There's me thinking I was going to get early and all and be prepared and just sit and chill out. So you're stuck with me for a bit, guys. So here, guys, while I'm waiting till the guys open, I can see there's some movement in the place. So look, what I'm going to do is, I've been thinking about the 3-day. Remember when I started the 3-day challenge? It was actually to set myself, like, to get repetitiveness, to start uploading regular videos, and to set myself a bit of a challenge. And I did say, you know, I'll see how it goes. I'll play it by ear. Might drop it to 2, might drop it to 1. And I've been giving that a lot of thought the past week, the past 2 weeks. I love talking, I love doing the wee videos, and I love you guys, but I'm wanting to I'm wanting to put better content out. And what I'm thinking of doing is, I don't know, no, I'm not going to ask you, but the fact is that I want to put out better content, I think, and I think I put a wee bit more time into each video. Because although I'm doing the wee short videos, it takes time to edit them, of course. And if I'm doing them 3 times a week, it does take time. And I'm wondering, should I actually cut back to maybe 1 video, or maybe occasionally 2? I don't know. I don't want to be putting shit content up just for the sake of making a video. That's why I didn't make a video on Wednesday. I went to the doctor's on Tuesday to get all the blood work done, then to check it out. And then Wednesday came on top of me, and I had stuff to do and I couldn't get it done. And I did mention in Monday's video that I may not get videos up. So it's Friday today. Depending on how this goes, just get this edited and maybe get it up tonight. If not tonight, tomorrow. No, I'll set myself a challenge to get it done tonight. I'll do the old Dan Martett, get leaning in this wall like a old boy. When I get better. And what I'm going to do is, I'll get the, I think I'll get this here uploaded tonight. See how, by the way, see my fucking eyebrows here? See them there, the hairs in the eyebrows? Like spider's legs, I have to say. Yeah, these eyebrows are mad. Yeah, so what I'm doing, I don't know what to do, guys. So should I keep it? I think it's 3 possibly. I think it's going to be better when it's the summer. You're able to get out and about a bit more and do the bits and bobs. I'm loving the challenge of doing it. It's now becoming so much easier, especially when it comes to editing and things. But it's just down to the content. I would love to get better content put up. So I am thinking maybe. Yeah, I'm thinking of probably cutting back. Let me give it thought over the weekend. Drop your messages down below, let me know what you think. And just looking there, I just see a photograph. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look. See it there with the sign? Where's that there? With the sign and also the tower block. Might make a bit of a photograph. Let's see. No, it wouldn't. No. So you can never stop looking at photographs. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. I might just drop it down to 1 or 2 videos a week. Let me know what you think. Put in the comments below. Listen, I'm thick-skinned. I just love feedback. I have no problem with people saying, no, Sean, drop it to 1, or drop it to 1 a month, or drop your YouTube channel, Sean. You can say whatever you want to say, but listen, just do it. If you can't, leave us a comment. What's the 3 videos like? Is it a wee bit too much? Drop it to 2, drop it to 1. I know I've done this before, but I think it's possibly too much, 3 videos a week. But look, I'll get in here now. Hopefully this place open. Next up, going down the rapids. Probably going over the fucking Niagara Falls and get the fixes here. Building. 1800, is it? Okay, listen, I'm rambling here. See you later.
5 hours later.
So what can I say? That's that over and done with. How's it now? 1:10. My friend's coming over to pick me up at 2 o'clock. A bit groggy, went on. I thought it was just going to be a local anaesthetic, but it was actually a general anaesthetic. They needed to go and do a wee bit of work, so a wee bit chilled out, let's put it that way. Probably been about 8 years since I partook in the old a similar vibe to that. I don't know if I like it or not. It's nice chill, but it just reminds me we're not total control of my mind. I love to be control of my mind, so yeah, chilled out a wee bit. So getting picked up. I'm going to do a wee update later on. I don't think I'm going to get this up I have to have somebody sitting with me for 24 hours. Like, I dread the person who have to sit with me for 24 hours. But all being well, I'll get this wee video made when I get home. Doctor, or the consultant, what do you call him, the surgeon, was very, very happy with it. I've got a catheter in until next week, and then I've got like wee procedures to do, but the bladder and all looks fine. They've fixed the urethra. Day one of my new journey. Children, long time coming, let me tell you. So I'm just going to just attitude of gratitude. What does I say? That's it, done. Staff have been amazing, really fantastic, and day one of a brand new me.
How are you doing here?
Hello, how are you?
You alright?
Okay guys, a wee bit of an update. That's me home, relaxing, chilling out, feeling so much better. I have to say, my own mind is now focused. There's a wee bit all over the place. I was just re-watching that clip. It was a bit like stoner, you know. Hey man, what's happening, dude? Feeling so much better. So I'm just resting here. My great friend Stephen Mullen. You probably know Stephen. I've done a wee walkabout with him and I've put him in a couple of videos there. We've just been best mates from when I started photography. Stephen was the guy who taught me photography at the very, very start, and we remained great friends ever since. And he's always been there for me. You know what I mean? All I need to do is pick up the phone, and he's there. So Stephen came home, picked me up from the hospital, came home, sat with me, and Sheena's took over. And this is now 24 hours. I'm being pampered, and of course I'm going to vegan milk it. I'm going to be sitting here getting pampered. So just to recap, it went well. The operation went really well. They went into the bladder, had a look around, and he doesn't see anything that worries him at all. Fixed the urethra. I've got a catheter in at the moment and a bag. I'm going to be keeping that until next week, early next week, and then they're going to take it out, and then there's a few wee procedures have to be taking place, and hopefully that's going to resolve a lot of issues. And you know, I've had this here for nearly 3 years now, so it's just good. And as I said, mentioned earlier on, if you've got anything going wrong in your life and it doesn't feel right, you notice something, wee bit of an ailment, don't let fear keep you back from going and checking it. Like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, it's embarrassing if somebody's down below, like, and having to look around and prodding and poking and sticking things in where it's not meant to be stuck. Of course it's uncomfortable, but I have to say the staff were amazing. And I mean absolutely amazing. Really, really nice. I'm gonna change hands here. I'm so tired holding that wee tablet, holding that wee telephone there. It's just so tiring. See, I'm gonna be really playing this illness up. No, I'm only joking. The staff were absolutely amazing. Really, really lovely, from the receptionist right through all the different nurses and doctors and things. They were just brilliant and treated me with so much love and respect. Kept the humour up as well. The doctors, they were brilliant too. So listen guys, don't let fear hold you back of getting things checked out. You know what I mean? How does it feel having this bag in? It's a bit strange, and it's just different, like, you know what I mean? But the fact of the matter is I know that this is making me well, and that's what I'm focusing on. And you know what I mean? Wee bit of discomfort, wee bit of, you know, strange looking at it. You get their mindset round. My mindset is this is making me better, and I'm going to be able to do so much more when this here gets fixed. So happy days. So listen, I'm going to wrap it up. It's Friday evening. What time is it? 6:30. So I'm going to try to get this edited here. Sorry about the bad edit. Sorry about the content of it. A wee bit heavy. Hopefully not too heavy. I want to thank you all so much for your love and best wishes for this here. I had big plans tomorrow. Stephen Mullen, as I was telling you about a moment ago, picked you up. Look what we were going to do tomorrow. We both have, I ordered this last year, and we both challenged each other from last year, and we had this planned for tomorrow. It's Friday night now. Tomorrow we were going to be meeting in Belfast. Stephen's got another kid's toy digital camera. I think his is a play school one, and I have that, and we were going to challenge each other to photography challenge through Belfast, portraiture, landscape, cityscape, etc. And we were going to have a competition. You guys were going to see it, so it had to be cancelled because I'm not allowed to walk about tomorrow. After 24-hour rest, I got a nurse calling, so it's cancelled. But we are going to reschedule. So that was the plans for this weekend. So apologies, guys. Listen, send you love from Belfast. Thank you all so much for your love and support and your best wishes. Thanks for being part of this channel. Thanks for being part of this community. Love you all, and I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next video, guys. Listen, I have been thinking I'm going to touch on it next week. I'm thinking I am going to drop down from 3 videos and try to put more better content up. Maybe do 2 videos a week. But look, let me think over this weekend. Still a wee bit stoned, daddy-o. So I'll think it over the weekend to see how this goes. But watch this space. Send you love from Belfast.